So in this video, I'm gonna show you a software which have you to scrap a lot of videos from the multiple platforms. So now let's get to the point. Here's the main screen. We go to the scanning function or load, okay? First of all, look at the scan download and video, the video scanning configuration. This allows you to choose which platform do you want to download the video from. For example, TikTok platform, Insta, Facebook, YouTube, Douyin, and a lot. Okay, and I will go for TikTok in this video. We can choose the keywords, users, or maybe the hashtags. Okay, for example, if I choose keyword, I will download a lot of videos about sports. So if you have the user ID, you can paste it here to download all of his or her videos from TikTok platform and even the hashtag. For example, in this video, I will go for the keyword. Okay, about the keyword, I will choose sport. And maximum video, I will choose 50 or 100. Okay, as you see over here, the number of video was downloaded automatically is 100. Yeah, the maximum about the sport. See, and we have a lot of fields information like the video name, the URL video, the comments, the like, the transmission, the share, validation, and duration, create time, and status incomplete. So if you want to download it, you have to go to the video download configuration. The number of video downloads will be 10 tracks. Save according to the title or to the ID. I will go to the title and I will save it in another folder like the videos. Okay, and we start the download. So before the download, we stick to choose how many videos you want to download, okay? And we start download, and just a few seconds, this will automatically download it. And we will go to the photo. You see, it's over here, a lot of video, right? It's easy, right? And that is our video today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorial every week. See you in the next video.